Hello, welcome back to this channel or welcome to this channel. My name is Jackie and I'm obsessed with planners, journals and Hobonichis. But if you are watching this video, you probably already know that. So, well, let's move on. Today I'm here to share with you my Hobonichi 2021 spring release haul. I got quite a few items and I received for the first time 2 boxes, so I'm really excited about that. And my order arrived here really fast, so it's almost too good to be true, so I need to start opening these right away to check if everything is okay. But before we start, I just want to say that I would love if you'd consider subscribing to this channel. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it. Let's start. 2 boxes. Oh my god, this is so cool. I can already see a cover. Yay! I'm so excited. And this side, another cover. Oh my god. They are so pretty. Okay, let me take everything out of the boxes on camera. You know I like to share my excitement with you. So let me take everything off the box and then I will show you. Oh, this cover is so pretty. You can already see what else is in here. Oh, the item that I was most excited about is in this box. Oh, it's so tiny and cute. Oh my god, so pretty. Next box. Oh, 2 beautiful covers for the cousin. Oh wow, this is way brighter than I thought it would be. It's like neon. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, the cat's out of the box and it is alive and I'm super excited. So let me organize these and share with you a timeline. Not a timeline, a timestamp. Okay, so here's how this is going to work. We are going to start with accessories, more general, boring accessories. Then we are moving on to more exciting accessories from the spring release, being the Moku cover for the weeks and some sticky notes that Hobonichi got. Then I'm moving on to all of the covers. And then we are ending up with the 5-year Techo gift set at the very end of the video. So feel free to jump around. I don't want to waste your time. Let's start with the accessories. Okay, so first I got 2 food pen, one for the cousin book that I'm just going to show you. I won't be talking a lot about this because it's just the regular version. January start because I want to use this for my work planner, but we will talk about that in another video. So because of that, I received one of the 3 color pen and one food pen, and the other food pen came with the 5-year Techo gift set. Then I got one of the plain pencil boards with the color from this year. This is for the A6 size and I'm not going to open this because this is actually my fiance's, so let me leave that to the side. I also got one of the preppy pens, like this is a fountain pen. I really want to test it out, see how it works, if I will like it. And it looks quite nice. It's really fine, the point, so I'm excited about it. I also got one of the Kita tapes because they are not that expensive if you add them to an order you are already making. So I decided to grab just one of them. Let me show you up close. So this is the one I chose. It's really pretty. I love the flowers and I want to use these a lot on my techo during springtime. So just simple Kita washi. And if you don't know, these are like washi stripes that you can add to your journal. They are really cool. Now the accessories that I'm really excited about because they are from the spring release. I just have one of these pockets with, I think they called just notes. So I'm curious to see what they are all about because they are so colorful and pretty. And the Moku Hobonichi Weeks cover. So I will try to show them in more detail because they are something new to the website. So I know you are probably curious about the Moku cover. So let's start with the other one. So I thought this item looked so cool that I had to grab one, and I think it was about 880 yen. So not that expensive, and I love that it comes in this little pouch that I think I will be able to use it for other things. And I don't know, I just thought this was so much fun that I wanted to have one of these. So this is how they come. You have these 3 styles, which are so much fun, and I cannot wait to add this to my journals. And I don't know if they are like stickers or if you have to glue them. I don't know what's all about, so that's interesting. Okay, so the material is like paper. I don't know how to describe the material. It doesn't seem to be like sticker. It seems to be like just note paper that you can just reutilize and glue to your Hobonichi Techo later on. Okay, so that's basically it. I just love the colors and the styles, and I can reutilize this pouch later on. Now the Moku cover, and I'm probably pronouncing that right, so don't quote me on that. It comes just in a plastic thing, just like the other stuff, the other Hobonichi stuff, so nothing really special about the packaging. So I went with this orange and pink color that I had no idea was going to be this bright. Hello, Editing Jackie here. I just want to say that I just realized the name of this color is called Neon Orange and Neon Pink. So I don't know why I thought this was not going to be this bright, but I'm loving it. But I actually love it more. At first I thought, oh, let me choose a more discreet color, but I don't know. I just need colors and life in my life right now. So it's really pretty. The material here at the back is like this mesh, so you have a pocket here. It's quite tight, so I think it will be secure to add even paper here, and it will probably not, you won't lose it. As you can see, it's very secure, the kita. It will start coming off if you press hard, but I mean, not press, if you shake it hard, but it's safe. I think you can add quite a few things here at the back. Then it's actually Velcro, so I was expecting like a button because of this little thing right here, but it's Velcro, which is fine. Then you have a plastic pocket here at the cover, at the front part of your little pouch or purse or whatever you want to call this, or case. It feels more like a case. And this is supposed to be touchscreen, as they showed on the website. So you can add your phone here if you are out and about, and you can just use your phone through this plastic protector. So that's really important, especially now during the times we are living on. You have the little strap, so you can carry it around as a purse. So let me open this. And it is interesting. It's like a cloth material. I don't know how to describe this very well, as you probably already know, but it's quite a nice size, and I think you will be able to use these in quite a few ways. I'm not, at least now, planning on using these outside because I'm not leaving my home, but I think it would be nice to carry this around if I just go for a brief walk around my block or something like that, and I can have my phone right here, and I will even check if I can have my Freestyle Libre to check my blood glucose here. That would be nice, so I wouldn't have to take all the way out. And it is quite a good size. It will fit iPhones right here. Then you have like the main compartment here at the back, and it is supposed to carry your wigs. So I do have my wigs here with a cover on cover, so let's see how it fits there. It fits nice. Of course, my little planner clip here, it's way over the size of the wigs, but you can see that it was a nice fit even with the cover on cover. If you were wondering that. And you can close it quite nice. It is a little bit transparent or translucent, so you can still see my wigs here. And you can see that on camera as well, which I think it's quite nice. And it feels good. It feels like sport gear. Like it doesn't feel like, it's not like a luxurious feel, but I don't think we were expecting that. But it's really good quality, as we would expect from Hobonichi. And it really feels like things that you can wear out and about when you are maybe walking or going for a run. So yeah, it's quite nice. Let me borrow my fiance's phone so we can check if it will work. Here it is, so let me check. And this is huge, so if it fits, everything else will, I think. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I like the way it looks. Like I would probably, if I'm walking around, I will carry it this way because I don't really like carrying my phone like this in the streets. But let's see if it will work. Yeah, it will. I don't want to show you the personal stuff from my fiance, but yeah, it will. The touch screen will work. So yeah, I actually now feel motivated to go for a walk because I want to test this out. And I think it's a material that is really, really easy to clean. So that just gains point with me, especially now. So I'm really excited to use this out and about. And if you want, I can do another video just checking in to see if I'm liking, if I'm using, and all of that. And it does seem to have something like here that could be a pen loop, but it's really, really tiny, as you can see. But maybe you can just clip a pen there. But yeah, you definitely can. So that's really fun. That's really nice because it's really compact, but it has all these smart dividers. So yeah, I like this. I actually really enjoy this. Okay, so let's move on because I don't want this video to be super, super huge. So let's move on to the A6 cover, which is the Mina Perhonen Birds. And this is from the Meet Again sale. And I just love this cover so very much. And I don't know why I didn't bought it when I was buying all of my Meet Again covers, but I just could not resist it this time. I love Mina Perhonen covers. I think you can probably already see that because I have quite a collection of them. I really love them and I love the simplicity of this one. And what I love most about Mina Perhonen covers is that they are really nice texture. They have really nice texture, and this one is incredible. I mean, it's super, super pretty. You know, my mind is always thinking seasonal, so I think I will use this throughout the rest of winter time because it feels like winter to me, especially with this huge blue here. But I think it will be also a nice cover to use during summertime because it kind of feels like something you will take with you to the beach if you can go to the beach. And this is how the inside looks. And the bookmarks are, you know, my favorite type with this little, I don't know how to call them, but it feels like knitted. It's really pretty. And the one thing I found really special about this cover is that the bookmarks have like all these colors in each of them, which I think is very unique. And it stood out to me very, very, nicely when I looked at the website, and I'm just so excited to start using this cover. So yeah, super pretty. Let me know if you want to see any of the covers I'm showing you with more details, and I will do another video. But yeah, super pretty. Now for the cousin covers. If you watched my previous Hobonichi hauls video, you know I did not get any Hobonichi cousin covers for 2021. So this time I decided to grab two of them because I really enjoyed them. The first one is also by Mina Perhonen, and it is the Memoria cover. It's called Memoria. I hope I'm saying that right. And it just has this beautiful butterflies all over, and also again the texture, it's very similar to the texture from the bird's cover. It's like a little bit rustic and it's really nice. It feels really nice. I love it. I'm going to use this for my work planner, and it's very pretty, but it's also very professional looking, I think, especially the inside, because you have this little, I think this is faux leather, but I will double check and write it down here. But it's just like this nice brown, and again, this would be a beautiful cover to use around autumn or fall, and I think I will love that. But I don't think I will be able to wait up until fall to start using this cover, because it feels really nice. It's really pretty. Again, the bookmarks, that same Mina Perhonen bookmark, which are super nice and pretty. I love the colors and everything about it. It's just a beautiful cover. Again, it's not from the spring release, because I don't think they had a cover for the cousin, just like the Mina Perhonen piece, that it is a lottery sale. But I decided to grab this, and I'm glad I did, because it is sold out on the website. So, whew, I'm glad I did. The last cover that I have is also for the cousin, and it is another Mina Perhonen cover, and this one is also from the Meet Again sale, and it's called Ringo. It's available for both A5 and A6, and I almost got the A6 as well, but I tried to control myself. And it's really nice. The color actually is a little bit different than what I thought. Again, it's that beautiful texture. Again, it's quite similar to the Birds one, but maybe closer to the Memorial one, at least the texture, which is really nice. I love that rustic, almost handmade feeling to it. I love so much. And it has these little trees right here. I just love everything about this cover. And you know, I will be using my cousin for my work planner, and I still think this looks quite professional, even though there is this beautiful bright yellow in the inside. And I think this would be a beautiful summer cover as well. And I even like the yellow. I was not very sure about it, because on the website I thought it was maybe a little bit to the greenish side, but it's actually really pretty and I love it. And the bookmarks have that yellow as well right here. And again, you can see I got 3 Mina Perhonen covers. I'm really obsessed with them, and I'm glad I have them in my collection now. So yeah, this is super pretty. And oh my god, yeah, I think I'll be saving these for summertime, but I reserve the right to change my mind and my covers. Okay, now it's time for us to see the Hobonichi 5-year Techo gift set. And I'm just going to show you very briefly, but I will be filming right away a video talking more about this, just because this video is already way too long. But it's just a Hobonichi gift set that comes with the Hobonichi 5-year Techo and some other goodies, as you can see here. But I will unbox these on another video, but let me just give you a preview. So it comes with the book, this beautiful box, and a cover for the 5-year Techo. So if you want to see more details about this gift set, please subscribe. I'm sorry to do that, but I really don't want this video to be super long. So hopefully you understand. And that's it for this haul. I hopefully won't be buying anything else from Hobonichi, at least until September, the regular launch. That will be the 2022 Hobonichi launch. So, oh my god. And I really love everything I got. I'm really happy with everything. And I feel like now I can start sharing with you my setups for 2021 in more detail, even though I already have the one for the weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your kind words as always. Let me know if you got something from the spring release, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.